How we got here, I don't know, but I'm about to transform that to this with just one product. So let's fix this. Introducing Ambunu powder from Dara Body Works. To prepare this, take 1 to 2 tablespoons depending on the consistency of your hair and mix this with warm water. Not hot, oh, warm water. Mix thoroughly until you get a slimy consistency as is, and you can decide to strain it to remove the shaft or use directly to your hair. The benefit of Ambunu powder is endless, from the cleansing and detangling benefits, where it acts as a natural cleanser, removing dirt and buildup from your scalp, especially if you're one who uses a lot of products to your natural hair, to strengthening and nourishing your hair as it is packed with nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, protein, and so on that strengthens the hair. This also serves as a great moisturizer. As you can see, my curls are coming back to life as it is moisturizing and conditioning my hair, helping to prevent dryness and breakage. Also, this reduces hair shedding and hair loss overall, especially during wash days where you lose some hair, and improves overall scalp health. I mean, look at my curls coming back to life. This was immediately after washing my hair, and I highly recommend this for a seamless and easy detangling process right before you head into the shower. Use Ambunu powder and you come back and thank me later. Bye.